Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. In today's video, we will be removing the old, worn out insulation from the Can-Am and replacing it with brand new stuff. It's pretty self-explanatory. There was only a couple hiccups along the way, but mostly went pretty well, so I'll let you guys enjoy it and I'll catch up at the end as usual. As you saw, besides me making a jigsaw puzzle out of it by cutting it backwards, it went pretty smooth. I was a little bit worried that the edges would stick out a bit and be visible when the plastics were reinstalled, but that clearly was not an issue. Once I was actually done installing it, I really did want to test it, and I had some scrap pieces left over, so I did a little impromptu science experiment with them. As you saw, the new installation works pretty well. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.